kiama gia chopirgo se forum ya ino ne bwate structure ne zachinde da identify monto ngoyo na bwate chinguru aise ko siro buje na bagwita tikatonyole ngenche ogokani kwa ngugu tonya kwa to mosili na nya kwa ka chinguru.
Thank you. Abuno na tagete una gwachirego indu ndori ko recognize bari ina to recognize ti ne idea yo chikole to bora bwa story. My brother, I know you know. Abagambe nabange sana bachorire batabwatikende. You can remember mo bunga naro chorire tukurumeru the president
John Paul Mwirigi.
Thank you. For this one example.
Yeah. Now you wanapita sarase kurubumias.
Exactly. Kwa barole. Wana balira ikibabu wino. Babu wino just walked out of the campus. Singa prove team yagari akachaiga akayegwa bagambi. Abuna bwa bagambi bali basede the example to arresting kumbe if somebody can come in this way. Onyorobo gambi nando deliver. Then why can't we come together? We are in that point whatever about the resources was politics has become very expensive. In to prove that we are united. A united family will never be divided. Now, undu wezi ora olenga asena la kole ikiagara pia e campaign nebwate amanganaye. Wetera so bali ba bwate na bakurie they will find themselves joining. By joining us, abakonyora batoire kende in that line. But ndota getiko tangani, ekia tomo nyato tangani nga anymore. Bali babwate, oba is go to outshine, and we are not ready. Yes.
Iyo gende tangani abantu bara nyara ko bago identify, over identify da yamanya nga kyo tagete ideas kyo bwate, makanyari bagalio go zero.
Yes. Even to be nevio, kyo identify because they are identify mbwango sana. Then ni kwa ruoro wasirwa. Haya no muntu ngenjoki ayuruete what have you done na yigete masomo kiagara basa abange babere misused. That's why okonyora basa abange basomete asengenjio ko burwega asengenjio ko nyora mafundisho ikinao civic education konyora umwana osomete buya kesho kutu ajari biregasi onyanga bwengentire umana kuro mwasa agotebanga noyo okorambeti yarenge guseno mwanjo yo mutigete no ibintu bunebi igabutageta abantu naba bwente babe informed almost is like an army.
Yeah.
A united army, one voice, one command, ewokoreki isanenga ki tolesese. So ntubwati mabandons and we don't expect any challenge as long as our voice is one. Ubosa ubone boy to realize abana abachen simbache tebia. And that was a wake up call.
Yeah.
To realize there is a better way to rakora manganaya. Ntuntue manyete. We are not just street guys. Ntuntue manyete where we come from, the history to us merete, the history yobogima. So in this process, we have identified actually abasai barabu bagoja without even bribing them, without even calling them obago nyaranga. They have found them in the right way. So we are okay.